Hey guys, what's up? It's Mac and Jack. Welcome back to our channel. You guys will have to excuse me because I'm getting over a very nasty cold. Coughing, running nose, fever, all of that great stuff. I have a terrible immune system right now. Yay! So it's been a struggle. But I feel good enough today to do a clean and decorate with me video for Christmas. And I've got my lovely tissues, how disgusting, and my water. So I've got all my Christmas decorations right here behind me. I've got a giant red bag full of stuff, 2 totes, and a tree up here. So yes, I am ready to get this stuff out and decorate. I'm hoping it will put me in the Christmas spirit. Anyways, I'll quit rambling and we're gonna start cleaning and decorating for Christmas. Let's see what we've got in our totes. Sometimes I forget. Christmas sign, some fake poinsettias. The Grinch. Oh, it still works. Wow, I've had this since I was a kid. That's insane. Let's see if there's a year on it. 2000. I've had this since 2000, you guys, and it still lights up. The heart still lights up. That's crazy. Second tote. Yes. Merry Christmas sign. Gummy bear, little stockings, these little candy ornament decorations. Lots of good stuff. I always forget about a lot of the things that I have, so all right, let's get started. Jack, do you love Christmas? Do you get excited? Do you love Christmas? Yes. It's so much fun, isn't it? You love Christmas. Want to say bye to everybody? Yes? Okay.